In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest in Sierra chart. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Sierra chart, you want to click on the trade button up top, and then over here on the right hand side, you have three different options. You have the auto trade system bar-based backtest, you have the same thing with scan, and then the auto trade system replay backtest. Okay, so we can select the one you want. Let's see when you do this first one over here, and then it's going to say clear this trade data over here for a specific thing. You can click on yes, and it's going to allow you to enter the bar processing increment. Okay, so here you can then go ahead, set this in, click on OK, and then this is basically going to do a backtest over here. Okay, you can press escape to cancel at any time, or you could go up here, click on auto trade system replay backtest, click on that, and yet again over here it's going to enter this replay mode here, and you can then go ahead and basically select charts to replay. You could go ahead and enter replay mode, different modes you have over here. You could do a method, you can select units and speed, and then you can just click on the play button, and then you can select if you want to clear data or not, which I'm not going to do. Press OK, and then this is basically going to do your replay. Okay, so that's how you actually backtest. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.